Hey there, and welcome to Leather Honey. You may be thinking that your favorite leather pieces are at the end of their life, or that it'll cost way too much to repair them professionally. Today, I'm going to be showing you that those scuffs, marks, fading, and discoloration can easily be fixed at home affordably in under 5 minutes with the right tools. First, we clean off any surface dirt, dust, or debris. I'll be using a microfiber cloth along with our Leather Honey leather cleaner spray. Always spot test in a hidden area first to make sure you get the results you want before treating the entire piece. Be thorough with your cleaning and make sure you allow proper drying time before moving on to the next step. Step 2 is recoloring the faded or worn areas. For this, we're using Leather Honey leather recoloring balm. The bottle has 2 connected caps, a protective pop-off cap, and a threaded twist-off applicator. Pop off the top cap to reveal the applicator sponge. To access the squeeze flow opening for larger areas, unscrew the base cap and you can squeeze balm directly onto a brush or cloth. For this project, I'll use the applicator sponge to control exactly how much balm goes on, starting with just a little at a time. Always spot test a hidden area before you begin, and then apply thin, even coats to the discolored or faded sections. For the most uniform look, we recommend treating the entire panel of leather rather than spot treating. Be careful not to hold the tube too tightly, as accidental pressure may cause excess balm to discharge and lead to over-application on your leather. If this occurs, simply wipe away the extra product instead of leaving a thick layer. For professional looking results, we suggest using the Leather Honey Premium Horsehair Brush to evenly distribute the balm right after applying it. This gives you the most consistent, effective results, and working the brush into the seams and crevices prevents caking and uneven coverage. One coat of this balm is already making a huge difference on this chair, but we suggest adding 2 to 3 more coats as needed, with dry time in between for even coverage. More layers build a more opaque finish, while fewer layers give a more translucent look, so you're in control of the final result. Unlike most recoloring balms on the market, we're proud to say that ours is non-toxic, vegetable-based, free of PFOA forever chemicals, and works on most porous surfaces. It's built to reverse sun damage and restore scratched or faded areas on leather, auto interiors, shoes, boots, and accessories. And because it locks in to the material rather than sitting on top, you don't have to worry about color transfer once it's dry. Leather Honey has been trusted by leather experts, retailers, and high-end furniture and car enthusiasts since 1968. Once the balm is completely dry, which can vary depending on application and climate, we lock in the color further with Leather Honey leather conditioning spray. Spot test in a hidden area first, and then apply the conditioner onto the horsehair brush or a microfiber cloth in a thin, even coat. Initially, you may notice the leather darken slightly, but this is completely normal and shows that the conditioner is properly penetrating deep into the leather's fibers to provide superior long-term results, whereas alternative products merely sit on the surface. Once it is fully absorbed, your leather will dry to a lighter shade. For repairable damage like the scrape or gouge, we suggest using a specialized glue or leather filler to tack down any exposed fibers before recoloring. To treat unsightly sagging or depressed areas, we recommend gently patting the affected sections if possible. This helps fill out your leather, minimizing the appearance of wrinkles and creating a more uniform look. Now, once everything is fully dry, it's important to wipe away any excess balm or conditioner from the leather to prevent color transfer. Skipping this step is the main reason people run into transfer issues, so please don't skip this step. Now, let's take a quick look at the before and after. And there you have it. Who knew all it took was a little bit of leather honey? We hope this tutorial inspired you to restore your leather investments. With a little effort, the right tools, and proper application, your cherished pieces can come back to life and be enjoyed for many more years to come. Don't forget to check out the rest of our time-tested leather care products on Amazon or at leatherhoney.com. Remember, leather is forever with Leather Honey.